Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium level question that I just resolved on my own after a long time. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help. So let's go over it. This one I first solved looks like August 26, 2024, and then looks like I did it a couple months ago, but I never made a video about it. So yep, let's do it again. So basically you have people and how many orders they have. So basically you can see the table is sorted in ascending order and then sorted in ascending order. So let's first get the foods and the tables, make a sorted set of both. And for, let's just say for name, table, food, and orders, right? Name, table, food. Foods dot add food and tables dot add table. So if we print foods and tables, okay, so this is not in sorted order because we need an integer. Okay, cool. So now we have the first row and the first column. Now what we want to do is go ahead and map so the table and the food to how many people they ordered. So let's go ahead and say D is default dict of list. So D of table and food dot append name. So now if we loop through every single table, because we want to get each row, let's build row by row. So for food in foods, for table in tables, let's print food and table just to see if it lines up with what we see. Awesome. So beef burrito, or let's actually do it the other way. So for table in tables, for food in foods, we're not building columns, we're building rows. Excuse me. So table and food. Okay, so now you can see beef, give a chief fried chicken water, and then for 5, and then for 10. Okay, so now we're just going to say the val is D of table and food, but table has to be a string because we casted it to an integer. So let's print table, food, and val. Okay, so for example, 0 here, 2 here, it's just a size is going to be the number. And then we just have to basically make an answer. And let's say the current row is first going to have the actual, the food itself. And then we're just going to append length of val or row. And then let's go ahead and print row. Okay, actually append the table instead. Okay, perfect. So we have each row, and then now let's just say answer.append row.copy. And last but not least, we have to get the first row, which is just going to be, let's call this first row is going to be table plus list of tables or of foods. So answer.append first row. Let's print answer at the end. Okay, perfect. So now last but not least, we have to turn these back into strings. So let's go ahead and append this as a string and then append this as a string. Okay, perfect. Now we can just return the answer, right? So let's run this, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to solve this question completely on my own without any assistance after such a long time. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.